Sharpening your tools with a Dremel is a convenient and efficient way to restore their edges and keep them working at their best. Whether you're working with gardening shears, knives, chisels, or even small mower blades, a Dremel rotary tool provides precision and versatility. Here's a comprehensive guide to getting the job done safely and effectively. Begin by gathering your materials. In addition to the Dremel tool itself, you'll need the appropriate sharpening or grinding attachment, typically a grinding stone or a dedicated sharpening accessory, both of which are popular Dremel bits. Safety should be your first priority, so wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield yourself from sparks or metal fragments. Ensure your workspace is clean, well lit, and free from distractions. Before you start, inspect the tool you want to sharpen. Look for nicks, chips, or excessive dullness. Remove any dirt, rust, or debris with a wire brush or cloth. This helps the sharpening process go smoothly and prevents the Dremel bit from clogging or skipping. Secure the tool in a vise or clamp, making sure the edge you want to sharpen is accessible and stable. Never try to sharpen a tool while holding it in your hand. Stability is key for both safety and accuracy. Select the correct Dremel attachment for your task. For general sharpening, a grinding stone, such as the aluminum oxide or silicon carbide bits, works well. For finer edges, there are specialized knife sharpening guides and accessories that help you maintain the correct angle. Attach your chosen bit to the Dremel and set it to a speed between 5,000 and 15,000 revolutions per minute. Starting at a lower speed gives you better control and reduces heat buildup, which can damage the tool's temper. Position the Dremel at the correct angle for your tool. Most blades and cutting edges have a bevel, usually between 20 and 30 degrees. Maintaining this angle is crucial for achieving a sharp, long-lasting edge. If you're unsure, check the manufacturer's recommendations or try to match the angle already present on the tool. Hold the Dremel firmly and guide the bit along the edge, moving from the base of the blade to the tip in smooth, even strokes. Let the tool do the work. Applying too much pressure can wear down the metal unevenly or overheat the blade. As you sharpen, periodically pause to check your progress. Look for a bright, consistent edge along the blade. For double-sided tools like knives, repeat the process on the other side, ensuring you maintain the same angle. Dip the tool in water occasionally to cool it down and prevent overheating, which can cause the metal to lose its hardness. After you've completed sharpening, remove any burrs or rough spots by lightly running the Dremel along the opposite side of the edge or using a finer grit attachment. Finish by wiping the tool clean and applying a light coat of oil to prevent rust. With practice, sharpening your tools with a Dremel becomes a quick and satisfying task. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your tools, but also ensures clean, precise cuts that make any job easier. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for both your Dremel and your tools, and never rush the process. Patience and care yield the sharpest, safest results. By mastering this skill, you keep your workshop ready for any project that comes your way.